We are pleased to show you the 2018 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.